What's up guys, my name is Elson and today we'll be talking about creating a YouTube channel. So you might be thinking that creating a YouTube channel might be very difficult, but I can tell you that you only need these three things to get it done. Okay, let's move on to these three things first. Okay, the first thing you need to get is of course a decent camera. But before you go about and buy a camera and just buy some weird looking cameras, you must first know what kind of videos you're actually making. Because on YouTube, many different kinds of videos that many creators are creating. You can be doing a vlog, you can be doing a tutorials, you can be doing, I don't know, some other creating commercial videos, wedding videos. So there's many different kind of videos that you can be actually doing. Okay, the second thing we'll be talking about is the setup. So what do you need about this setup is the first thing, lights. Second thing, a tripod. And lastly, an audio mic. These three are the main ones that you really need. Okay, first thing we're going to talk about lights. Okay, first you want to get, of course, a decent light to light up the face, to create the shots that you want to portray to your viewers. And of course, if you cannot afford a light, the best thing to do is to get from the daylight. So you have to choose a day where where the lights are coming in nicely, not so bright that it shines into your face and give you that kind of very kind of hard light, like giving your face a kind of very dramatic kind of look. So you have to choose a day where it's a bit sunny but a bit cloudy, so you give that kind of enough lighting to light up your room, to light up your studio, to light up your home studio. Yep, so that kind of daylights. But if you can afford, best you afford like something like what we have, the aperture lights, the 120D Mark II, which is very nice. And then they call it a diffuser, a dome, so that it gives you a very soft light to light up the face, but don't give such a hard light where you start to show all the features on your face. Okay, secondly we're going to talk about is best you have a microphone, a mic, which is very important because of the audio, to capture the audio. So without the audio, it will sound like this. Hello, can you hear? I think you all can hear it. Okay, with the audio, it will sound like this. So which one is better? I mean, you'll be the judge. So of course, investing in a good mic will give you a much better, higher quality videos that people will want to hear through your audio, and you can able to speak sharply, clearly. Lastly, is also the tripod or the monopod. So depending on what kind of camera you're getting, or maybe what kind of setup you are looking after. So example, if a monopod you want to do more of a vlogging, a monopod would be quite good. So you can take a round and then you can start to vlog yourself. You can put it on the table, start to talk to the camera, to yourself. But if you're doing more of the tutorials and all this, so you want to pull back a bit. So of course you need a tripod. A tripod will be good so that you can put heavier cameras like the 1DX Mark III, and or maybe other cinema cameras that you want to put on, depending on what kind of setup you are looking for. The last thing on the list is having what kind of software you are working on. That's very important. Of course, after taking all the footages, all the videos, and then you're very proud of yourself with all the newly created videos. So of course you need to import into your computer, and then you need an editing software. So choosing a software, what kind of software you want is also very important. What kind of software you're comfortable in. If you're really just a beginner, so I would urge you to actually choose a Premiere Pro because it's the more versatile and it's actually quite, many people are using that software. So actually you can find many videos on YouTube regarding how to use the Premiere Pro. So that's what I'm using now actually. So I think it's actually quite good. Okay, for the bonus tips, it's actually very important to actually distinguish what kind of niche you actually wanted to do, because if not, your videos will be all over the place. You have so much topic on your YouTube videos that your subscribers don't even know what to look for when they subscribe to your channel. So that's why you have lesser retention rate, you have lesser subscribers, you have lesser viewers, because people are not very sure what you actually are doing. So it's best you choose a niche. For example, you are doing more of the real estate videos, so you focus a lot of all the things more on the real estate part. Means the tips on the real estate areas, like how do you choose a tree, tips on choosing a good property, tips on getting a loan. So everything related to real estate, that would be best. That's example of a very good niche. So your viewers, your subscribers will know that, oh, this is what your YouTube channel is about. So when I want to go and look for properties and everything, I will look for you. So creating a YouTube channel with a clear sense of goal is very, very important. So make sure you guys actually go and research on what you actually want to showcase to your audience, what kind of niche you actually wanted, what kind of equipment that you actually really want to use based on your budget, based on your area, based on everything that you have. So this is about it. That's it for today's video. Do remember to hit the like and subscribe button, the red bell below, the red bell below, and comment below also what do you think of this video and what video you guys wanted to see next. Peace out soon.